Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 not opening after installing mods with some simple and reliable steps. If your game stopped launching after adding mods, the issue is usually caused by incompatible or broken files. First, go to your GTA 5 installation folder and remove recently added mod files, especially scripts or ASI files, because one bad mod can stop the game from starting. Next, make sure your script hook and mod loader are updated to the latest version, as outdated versions often cause conflicts after game updates. After that, open your launcher like Steam or Epic Games and verify the game files to restore any missing or damaged original files. Now, temporarily disable all mods and try launching the game normally to confirm the issue is mod-related. Also, check that you installed mods correctly in the right folders. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and it should open without any problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.